What's up, everybody? Bowman1951 coming back at you with another video. We are going to rip some product tonight. There's none out there in front of you right now, but we're going to quickly change that. And voila! 3 boxes of Topps Chrome Update, Target exclusive. I've always wanted to say this, so let's just get it out of the way.
Boom! There's the flavor!
Haha, just kidding. I could never steal that from Pepino Man. He'd probably sue me. I'm sure that line is trademarked. So if anybody's ever played the game left, right, center, we're going to use one of these dice in here to choose which box we're ripping out in front of us. Now, I'm sitting on a bunch of these boxes, but I don't really want to rip that many. I'm only going to rip one tonight on camera. So let's pull out one of these dice. So if you've never played before, I highly recommend going to check out a video. It's a really fun family game, good for like more than 4 to 5 people at a table. But there's the C for the center box, the L for the left box, and R for the right box. So I'm just going to roll this out in front of you, and let's see what we get. The square, or circle rather, unfortunately is not going to count. Of course we got one. And roll number 2. There we go. We got the C popping out here for the center box. All right, let's go ahead and grab that one. I'm going to get rid of the others. Put that one right out here. Adios. Heading back into storage. So shout out to Eric Backpages, those Backpages rather. We were discussing today the price of these boxes, which have quickly crept up to $33 shipped on eBay. As you can see, they're $20 in the store, and with them being sold out in most locations, they are becoming rarer and rarer. So let's get this back out in front, and we're going to get to ripping. All right, we're all unpacked. Let's back these up a little bit. So while everybody's enamored with the 2019 products coming out, I will be ripping 2018 for years to come. I'm almost certain, if it doesn't get out of my price range. Loaded with rookies. This TCU product is one of my, I haven't been ripping very long, but this is my absolute favorite for the 6 or 7 products I've ripped in the past year, and I want to continue doing so for as long as possible. Again, this is pretty much sold out in almost every Target. If you find some, jump on it because it won't be around for much longer. All right, let's get started. Randall Grichuk. Jose Ramirez, nice card. Dylan Cousins. And Todd Frazier. Not only is the rookie class so good, but word is that the Juan Soto Super Refractor has not yet been pulled, so it's a big running joke, and I think the product will just continue to climb as long as that's still out there in the ether somewhere. Nick Kingham, International Affair Joey Votto. So shiny! No, I think I can say that. Marcelo Ozuna and Andrew McCutchen. And as I'm recording this, I'm going to switch sport topics. OBJ apparently just got traded to the Cleveland Browns. My phone is blowing up. Can't believe it. They are a contender now. Steelers are going to be a little bit down on offense next year, and the Browns just continue to get better. It's crazy, right? Miles Nicholas, Matt Kemp, Rafael Devers. I think this is my first TCU of Devers. Beautiful card. And another rookie, Kinner Falefa. Haven't seen that one yet either. About halfway through now. That Soto Super is in this pack, isn't it? I'd like to just pull an auto. I don't think I have from the boxes of this that I've ripped. But I will take that one. Soto rookie card. Woohoo! Beautiful. Mr. $300 million man himself, Manny Machado. International Affair, Chris Davis. Look at that shine. And Chris Stratton. 3 packs left. I always love pulling the Soto base from these. Cannot complain. Basically pays for itself. Matt Kemp again. Lindor, All-Star. Kenley Jansen. And a Walker Buehler. Whew, great box. Really happy with this. Alright, let's finish strong here. I don't know how much stronger we can get. I'm happy with the Buehler and the Soto. Another Nick Kingman. Another Joey Votto as well. Gary Sanchez. Gotta look at the shine. Clint Frazier, rookie. And Kingman, rookie debut. Last pack from this mega box. Trevor Story. Man, these cards are great. Oh, there's an auto. Woo! Isaiah Kinner-Falefa. We already saw his card in another pack, so he's a rookie. Any Rangers fans out there? Lone Star, baseball collector? Let me know about this guy if you see this. I know Mike BC does not really watch box openings, but ooh, what a box. Wow, that's nice. Glad left, right, center worked out for us. Ian Kinsler, and to finish it off, Willie Adames. All right, great box there. We're going to do a quick recap. It's really tough to figure out what the hits are from these. I mean, do you consider a base Willie here a rookie card as a hit? I kind of do. I didn't have a Devers, and we got the RC logo there. Let's count that one. These are all ones that I want a PC, so Buehler, I think that's my first base of him, if I don't have the CP already. And, of course, Mr. Soto. And the biggest hit, I would say, I don't know the value of this yet. I got the base of Isaiah Kinner-Falefa, and, once again, the auto there. Thanks again so much for watching. That was a really fun break. If you like what you see, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can follow me on my social media accounts, Bowman Cards 1951 on Instagram, and Twitter, Bowman1951. I know Rookie Card Explosion Box Volume 3 is right around the corner. I've also got some 1951 Bowmans on the way after 15% eBay day, so can't wait to show all those off and get that box ripped probably this weekend. Phil's holding out on me, but I'm going to hit him up and go grab that as soon as I can. All right, we'll see you at the next table. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.